What if you start eating oats every day for 1 month? Oatmeal, a divine food, or just a part of your daily diet? Hello, everyone. Today we will explore an interesting question. What happens if you start eating oatmeal every day? There are many videos and articles claiming that oatmeal is a superfood that can transform your health just by eating it daily. However, are all these praises truly deserved by oatmeal? Let's carefully explore and analyze this. In this video, we will discover what happens to the body if you start eating oatmeal every day. Don't forget to support us with a like and a subscribe. And share this knowledge with your friends and family. Introduction to oatmeal. Oatmeal is a type of cereal made from the grain of the oat plant. Nutritionally, it is considered a rich source of fiber, particularly beta-glucan, along with a host of other essential antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Moreover, oatmeal is also known as a food with significantly higher protein and fat content compared to many other cereals. Because of this, it is often referred to as the queen of grains. Oatmeal has a naturally light yellowish-white color. Its taste is bland but fragrant and nutty. Oats are primarily grown in cool climates and are one of the oldest grains used by humans. Today, oatmeal has become an important part of a healthy diet due to its outstanding nutritional benefits. There are various types of oatmeal, including whole oats, steel-cut oats, rolled oats, and instant oats. Each type has its own characteristics and benefits, and the way they are processed can affect their nutritional value. Health benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal is often praised for its health benefits. Here are some of the notable benefits of oatmeal. 1. Provides sustainable energy. Oatmeal is a source of complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly than simple carbohydrates, helping to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. This means that you won't feel hungry between meals, and oatmeal can help sustain energy for daily activities. There are 3 types of starch found in oats. Rapidly digestible starch, 7%. This is quickly broken down and absorbed as glucose. Slowly digestible starch, 22%. This is broken down and absorbed more slowly. Resistant starch, 25%. Resistant starch functions like fiber, passing through digestion and improving gut health by nourishing friendly gut bacteria. 2. Supports digestive health. Oatmeal is a rich source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which can rapidly relieve symptoms of constipation. Soluble fiber improves digestion by enhancing bowel movement and keeping stools softer. This can help prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. 3. Lowers cholesterol levels. Many studies suggest that oats can lower cholesterol levels, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are one of the leading causes of death worldwide. This benefit of oats comes from the soluble fiber beta-glucan, which slows down the absorption of fat and cholesterol by increasing the viscosity of food. When in the gut, beta-glucan in oats binds to bile acids rich in cholesterol that the liver produces to aid digestion. Beta-glucan then carries these acids through the digestive tract and out of the body. Normally, bile acids are reabsorbed into the digestive system, but beta-glucan inhibits this process, thus reducing cholesterol levels. 4. Controls blood sugar. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels after eating. This helps control blood sugar levels and can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. The fiber in oatmeal also helps control hunger and reduces cravings. Type 2. Diabetes is characterized by unstable blood sugar levels, often due to decreased insulin sensitivity. Beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber found in oats, is believed to be effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The beta-glucan content in oats helps regulate both glucose and insulin levels after meals rich in carbohydrates. For people with severe insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, A 4-week diet with oatmeal reduced the insulin dose needed to stabilize blood sugar levels by up to 40%. According to experts, steel-cut oats are a safer choice for diabetics, as they are the least processed. In contrast, rolled oats have a higher glycemic index, GI, and significantly lower fiber content because they are partially cooked. 5. Aids weight loss. Thanks to its high fiber content and ability to provide sustainable energy, oatmeal can help you feel fuller longer and reduce cravings. This can aid in weight control and effective weight loss. Instead of eating high-calorie sugary foods, incorporating oatmeal into your diet can be a positive step forward. 6. Fights. Oxidative stress. Oatmeal contains antioxidant compounds such as avenanthramides, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is a contributing factor to premature aging and many chronic diseases. So adding antioxidant-rich foods like oatmeal to your diet can help reduce the risk of these conditions. Potential drawbacks of oatmeal. While oatmeal has many health benefits, it is not always the perfect choice for everyone. Here are some potential drawbacks of eating oatmeal daily. 1. Allergy risk. Although oatmeal is generally considered safe for most people, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to oats. This is especially true for those who are allergic to gluten or have gluten sensitivity. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, consuming oats may cause serious digestive problems. 2. Unstable blood sugar. When consumed in excess. If you eat too much oatmeal or combine it with other high glycemic foods, your blood sugar levels may rise. This can lead to unstable blood sugar, especially for those with blood sugar control issues. Contains phosphorus and phytic acid. Oatmeal contains phosphorus and phytic acid, two compounds that can reduce the absorption of some important minerals like calcium and iron. If your diet already provides enough of these minerals, eating oatmeal should not be a major issue. However, if you have specific mineral requirements, consider adjusting your diet to ensure you get enough nutrients. Comparing oatmeal with other foods. To better understand the value of oatmeal, we can compare it to other foods you might eat daily. 1. White bread versus oatmeal. White bread typically contains simple carbohydrates, which can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels and quick hunger. In contrast, oatmeal contains complex carbohydrates that help maintain more stable energy levels and a longer-lasting feeling of fullness. If you frequently eat white bread, replacing it with oatmeal may be a healthier choice. 2. Breakfast cereals versus oatmeal. Many breakfast cereals contain a lot of sugar and little fiber. They may provide quick energy, but do not last long. Oatmeal, with its high fiber content and low glycemic index, is a better option for providing stable energy and supporting digestive health. 3. Fresh fruit versus oatmeal. Fresh fruit provides many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, if you need a sustainable source of carbohydrates and fiber, oatmeal may be the better choice. Combining oatmeal with fresh fruit can provide a balanced and nutritious diet. Oatmeal is often eaten for breakfast, so is breakfast the most important meal of the day? Many videos and articles claim that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. However, we are now also beginning to recognize the benefits of intermittent fasting, where you limit your eating window throughout the day and often skip breakfast. Intermittent fasting is not a common eating practice, but it has shown many potential benefits, such as improved health, increased longevity, and better overall well-being. This could make eating breakfast no longer a mandatory requirement for everyone. Breakfast may not be the most important meal of the day for everyone, but it can still provide many benefits for some people. Here are some reasons why breakfast may be important and some tips for a healthy breakfast. 1. Provides energy for the day. After a long night without eating, your body needs energy to start the day. Breakfast helps provide energy for morning activities and improves concentration and work performance. Eating a balanced breakfast with essential nutrients, such as complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, can help you feel energized and ready for a busy day. 2. Supports brain function. Research has shown that eating breakfast can improve brain function, including concentration, memory, and learning ability. Breakfast provides glucose, the main energy source for the brain, which helps improve learning and work performance. If you are a student or someone who requires high concentration, eating breakfast can be an important factor. 3. Weight control. Some studies suggest that eating breakfast can help control weight and reduce hunger throughout the day. Breakfast helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of overeating at later meals. However, this does not mean you need to eat breakfast if you do not feel hungry or if you follow an intermittent fasting diet. Provides nutrition. Breakfast can provide a good opportunity to supplement essential nutrients that you may not get from other meals. Foods like fruit, whole grains, milk, and dairy products can provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed for overall health. How to create a healthy breakfast with oatmeal. If you decide that breakfast is important to you, let's explore some ways to make oatmeal a part of a healthy and appealing breakfast. Number 1. Oatmeal cooked with milk or water. The simplest way to prepare oatmeal is to cook it with milk or water. You can add a little sugar or honey to enhance the flavor, along with some fresh fruit like apples, bananas, or berries. This is a quick, easy, and very nutritious breakfast. 2. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Combining oatmeal with fresh or dried fruit and nuts, like chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts, can create a nutritionally complete breakfast. Fruit provides vitamins and antioxidants, while nuts provide healthy fats and protein. 3. Oatmeal Smoothie. You can create a nutritious smoothie by blending oatmeal with milk, fruit, and a little yogurt. An oatmeal smoothie is not only delicious, but also provides all the nutrients needed to start the day. 4. Oatmeal Cakes. If you like sweet foods, try making oatmeal cakes. You can bake cakes with nutritious ingredients like oatmeal, dried fruit, nuts, and a little honey. Oatmeal cakes are a great choice for breakfast or a snack. 5. Oatmeal Cookies. Oatmeal cookies are also a delicious option. You can make oatmeal cookies at home with ingredients like oatmeal, nuts, and dried fruit. Oatmeal cookies are not only a tasty breakfast, but also a healthy snack. Conclusion: is oatmeal a superfood? Oatmeal is certainly a nutritious food with many health benefits. However, it is not a divine superfood that can solve all health problems. For the best health, you need a balanced and varied diet combined with a healthy lifestyle. Oatmeal can be an important part of your diet, but don't forget that other foods also play an equally important role. The key is to maintain balance and variety in your diet. We hope that through this article, you have gained a clearer understanding of the benefits and limitations of oatmeal, along with ways to incorporate it into your meals. Whether you choose to eat oatmeal or not, understanding food choices and healthy living is the key to achieving the best health. If you find this video helpful, you will enjoy other videos of mine. And if you really want to master your health by understanding how your body works, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any videos that could save your life.